Alright, boys, today we're going to speak about rest days, days off from the gym, and sort of figuring out a good balance between how much you should be working out and how much you should be resting. Now, the crazy thing is, I've been working out for 16 years, and the time that I make the most progress when it comes to strength, when it comes to size and muscle, is the times in my life where I'm not going to the gym as much. And what that taught me over the years is how valuable rest days are. Like, I can look back on so many times when I would be unable to work out for whatever reason. Like, I'm going away for a week on vacation, or I'm going away for a couple days, or whatever it might be. Every time I return from the break, I'm just ready to fire. Like, my body feels unbelievable. My pumps are unreal. I look fuller, my strength is amazing, everything just works like a well-oiled machine. That's how valuable these rest days are. And it's so important to understand that when you're working out, you're breaking down the muscle. And when you are away from the gym, that's when the little workers come in your body, they start to repair all the damage that was made. And without a balance between both of these things, you're not going to have the best outcome that you could have when it comes to building muscle and gaining strength and so on. It's like having a sponge, for example. With a sponge, you can take it and you could put it in some water. And the sponge is only going to be able to retain a certain amount of water, right? And the only way to absorb more water into the sponge is to remove it from the water, wring it out, and let it return to its regular form. And the same thing happens with your muscles, right? And your body, your nervous system, everything. When you overload it and overload it and overload it, you kind of hit a peak of how much you can benefit from these actions that you're doing, working out and so on. So until you step back, let your body recover and bring you back to that baseline state where it's ready for more stimulus, it's ready for more work. Think of your body like an order taker, right? All right, body, so today I'm going to be doing chest and triceps, right? I'm putting in an order for a bigger chest. Okay, your body gets the order, and then when you go home, your body's going to fulfill the order, right? It's going to go in, it's going to start repairing your chest after it was broken down. And then once it's done, then you can give it more orders, right? You have to let it do its job. So if you're somebody who deals with plateaus a lot, strength plateaus, muscle building plateaus, or you go to the gym and you just lost that dog in you, your body's not looking the same, you're not recovering very well, your strength isn't going up, and whatever it might be, chances are a day or two away from the gym is going to fix all of that for you. So on your rest days, it's very important to get in a good amount of nutrients, right? To fuel your body, to give it all the resources it needs to repair your muscle. Of course, hydrate, good sleep. That should be a no-brainer every single day. If you want to go to the gym and stretch, that's very, very good. Helps your muscles recover and relax and repair. Tailor it however works for you. Make sure your split allows for at least 48 hours in between each muscle to recover. And make sure you have at least one complete rest day or 2 complete rest days from the gym every single week. Give your body that time to fully repair. This way, you're also going to avoid injuries in the future, and it's going to make everything so much smoother and so much more linear when it comes to your progress in the gym. I'm going to come out with another video talking about workout splits, whether you work out 3 days a week, 4 days a week, 5 days a week, and so on. I'll teach you guys how to optimize it depending on the amount of days that you go to the gym. But stick around for that video. But anyways, I hope this one made sense for you guys. Just sort of a PSA. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. As always, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'd really appreciate it. I have a lot more tips and tricks coming out soon. I really appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.